Singh Gupta. Dr. Bhajan Singh, retired professor, Department of Physics, Punjabi University, Patiala. Sardar Sukhvinder Singh, coordinator, NIERT, Patiala. Dr. Anju Khullar, head of department, chemistry department. Sardar Tapinder Singh and Mehtab Deep Singh, my colleagues and dear students. On the behalf of PG Department of Physics, I welcome you all in the valedictory function of 5-day hands-on training on electronic projects for beginners. This workshop has been ended successfully today. That was specially designed to accommodate the contemporary needs of undergraduate science students under the DBT Star College scheme. Students have learnt both the theoretical as well as the experimental concepts to design the electronic projects. We hope it would prove to be a lifelong experience for our students. It's my pleasure to tell you all that during these 5 days, students have learnt a lot of things for fabricating the electronic circuits. So it has been proved to be a best example of learning by doing process. The projects made by our students are full wave rectifier, small bell circuit, energy saver, rain dew detector, sensitive remote control tester, flashing brake lights to avoid the accidents in daytime, mobile charger circuit and inverter circuits. Now I request our worthy principal sir to share few motivational words with our students.
Dr. Bhajan Singh, Dr. Swinder Singh, Dr. Arvind, head of the department, Dr. Anju, dear colleagues and my dear students, वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। बड़ी एक खुशी की गल है कि फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट वालों कंटिन्यूसली तीसरी ये वर्कशॉप है अंडर द DBT स्टार स्कीम and all the workshops, all the functions organized by the department, they are basically concerned with implementing and imparting the practical knowledge to the students. तो मैं मुबारकबाद देना तुहानू सारे इस गल लई कि अच्छा इनिशिएटिव हैगा and these initiatives should continue. I am also grateful to the Department of Biotechnology जिन्हां ने सानू स्टार स्कीम ग्रांट जिहड़ी दित्ती जिहदे राहीं असीं अगे ये काम कर रहे हैं. आई होप एंड बिलीव कि इस तरह का काफिला जिहड़ा है वो अगे वधदा रहूगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह.
A very good afternoon everyone. I am Simran, a student of BSc Honours Physics 3rd year, and today I am here to share my experience and feedback on the 5-day hands-on training workshop. To me, this workshop was a perfect blend of theory and practical. I am a final year undergraduate and we have studied analog and digital system for almost a year. And I can assure you what we have learnt in these 5 days, what we have practiced was so much more than we did in that 1 year. Although we all felt a bit shortage of time, yet we all can say that we all are experts, at least in making rectifiers. The fact that we all were so much involved, we were soldering circuits early in the morning from 9 to 4, it just reflects the quality, the things we learned in this training. The trainers were all great, highly motivating and super friendly. I would like to thank what we learned from all the resource persons. I will remember Dr. Bhajan's talk about what journals and books we should read, and Sukhvinder sir's real life experiences and how not to get looted by the technicians. In all, this workshop was, I can say, by far the most memorable, most useful and thought-provoking workshop I have personally ever attended.
My name is Arshdeep Kaur and I am a student of BSc Honours Physics. First of all, thanks for giving me a chance to share my views on 5-day workshop, hands-on training on electronics projects for beginners. If I describe myself what I was before this workshop, then I used to learn about the components like transistor, capacitor, resistor, diodes, etc. From books, some YouTube videos. Yes, I saw them a couple of times in our lab. But there was a constant fear in my mind. If someone asks, take all the components and make a circuit, what do I do? Honey is in every flower, but it takes a bee to get it. And I think this workshop acts as a bee for all the candidates present here. I learn a lot and I learn a lot from here. I learn so many new concepts. I learn a skill which is very useful and make my life more better and easier. And that fear is totally vanished now.
In this workshop, we learned about a new instrument called a breadboard. On that, we came to know about what is breadboard and how we can create a new circuit using a breadboard. We also came across a new software digitally in which we can create a circuits, and that software was multisim. We also created a full wave rectifier on that. I am very much thankful to all my teachers for conducting this workshop.
First of all, our foremost students who have worked very hard and made this workshop successful. Then I would like to thank both the resource person, my worthy teacher Dr. Pajan Singh and Sardar Sukhwinder Singh ji, who had worked very hard from the last 5 days to make all the projects and to clear the theoretical concepts of the students. I would also like to thank the coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Inderjit Kaur, and whole the staff of the department, especially the non-teaching staff. I would like to thank the management and the administration of Khalsa College Patiala, who had provided us the funds through the Star College scheme to make this program a success. Thank you very much.